Gold and silver so far for the day traded with a modest bearish bias. The levels which we had discussed has proven out to be an extremely strong support. See, for gold 270204 levels, we have discussed that this is going to be the prime support once gold trades below 2710, and so far it has provided it the same, while the silver has also got its strongest support zone at 3040, 3050. So now what to expect? Can we say that the lows for the day are done? Can we expect a recovery from here, or there is a possibility for a round of drop again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Now, see, earlier in the day, what did we discuss? That every rise is followed with a retracement, and this is 4-hour charts. Now, see, if you connect the dots, if you connect the highs and the lows, it appears that gold is trading in this channel. The lows of the channel are now towards 2680 levels, which is far below levels. Now what is happening? I will come back to 4-hour charts. Just I wanted to show this wave, that is why we are here. Now let's start with the 1-hour charts. Now on the 1-hour charts, a very important point to note that it is forming a nice flag here, and now we have to wait for it to stay above 2716 2718 zone. At any point of time, gold trading above 2716 2718 zone is a good sign of a reversal, where it can again move towards 27 24 25 levels at the first target, and in fact beyond. See, what we had seen in the recent past on the hourly charts is that it tries to move towards 20 or 50 period moving average. This time again it has hit the 50 period moving average, trying to bounce back from the same levels. Now on the upside, see, first resistance zone at 27 10 12 will be seen. This was the resistance, this was the support earlier. Now this has to be the resistance, and now the next one is towards 27 16 18. So only and only if it breaks beyond 27 16 18, we can say that the bulls are back here in gold, and we can stay with the buys. Stochastic rising, MACD has traded enough bearish. It is trying to converge. The RSI is rising. Signs are supportive here for further rise. If you look at on the 2-hour chart, similar observation. See, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back here up again. We have to wait for 27 16 27 18 zone to be taken, and beyond that it may turn bullish, and we can look forward to 27 25 as the first, 24 25 as the first target, 27 30 32 as the next, and beyond that 27 40 27 50 will be there, which is going to be the strongest resistance on the upside. Notice that I am just connecting here as well. See this, and just connect the highs and the lows. You can find out the lows of this channel are far below towards 2690 2680 zone. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. MACD has just crossed over, and it is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. See, what it is doing is drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. So it is again looking downwards, which is a bearish sign here on the 2-hour charts. RSI trying to bounce back, coming to 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. Just connect the lows here, the highs here. You will find that it is very, very critical for gold to now break beyond 2712 and then 27 16 18 zone. This is going to be the prime resistance here for it to break past. By beyond this, certainly it will turn bullish, as what is happening, hitting lower highs. We can see a reversal where prices can move towards 2700 27.2 levels, which is very, very good support now for the day, and below this you can expect it to move towards 2694 and 2690 levels. Right now it is trying to bounce back. Stochastic also trying to rise, but look at the MACD just crossed over, trading with a little divergence, and this is just a first candle, so possibility of a second or third red candle exists here, which means prices can still take a dip here. RSI also coming out of the overbought zone. On the 4-hour, now notice this on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, a flat top is seen, first bearish candle, second a swing candle with a bigger tail. Now it is starting on a greener side. It is trying to rise. I will expect it to form a lower highs and then continue to trade bearish and deliver similar or bearish, increasing bearish, which means there is a strong possibility that gold might move below 2700 here, where it can in fact move towards 2698 2694, or in fact 2690 levels. But right now I will not say that any breakout on the upside will reverse the views here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD trying to converge, the RSI has just come out of the overbought zone, coming to the daily. And before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now what's happening on the daily chart? See, lower highs are seen here, and with that lower highs, it has started with the drop here. Now see, this could completely reverse and it can turn green once it trades beyond 27, 16, 18 zone. I can expect it to move towards 27, 24, 25, and once 27, 24, 25 is taken, the bulls will be taking over completely. Why? See, if you notice what it has done, it is delivering higher lows here. So higher lows means higher highs are also possible, which suggests that it can move towards 27, 40. But yes, beyond 27, 24, 25, 27, 30, 32 should be the first resistance, and then 27, 40. Yes, the moving averages are also trading with divergence and bullishness. Now also connect this how it is behaved: a rise, then a retracement, then a rise, then a retracement, rise, retracement, rise. So it is the time for it to retrace. Let's hope for it that it can try to retrace here. Right now, the stance is not so aggressively bearish here. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI flat. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. But before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of the signals channel. And those who are looking forward to a broker, be a part of the recommended broker which is mentioned in the link, and enjoy your trading. Now look at the daily charts again. See, one point here is very very important: any breakout beyond 27, 16, 18, and then 27, 24, 25. Do not think of selling gold beyond 27, 24, 25. We are looking forward to 27, 30, 32, or 40 levels as well, and beyond that 27, 50 will appear, which is going to be the most critical resistance on the upside. While right now it is under retracement, and you can expect a stronger retracement here, and thus you have to wait. See, if you want to buy now, you can buy at 27, 13 levels. Expect 27, 16, 27, 20, 27, 24, 25. So 27, 13, 14 should be something you should watch out for. But I will say this is going to be slightly risky as long as 27, 16, 18 is not taken. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 270402 zone, which is going to be a very very good support zone. Below this, you can expect it to move towards 2698, 2694, and then below 2694, stay short for 2688, 90 is a very very good support. And in fact, we will see gold hitting 2680 as well, which is the strongest support here for the day. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, taking the dip towards this red line, which is also the channel which is present in the charts here, and see how strong the support it has provided first, second, and this is the third time. Now it is trying to bounce back from the same zone. Thus, it is very very important for silver to now trade below 30, 40 levels, and only if it trades below 30, 40, you can say that it is trying to reverse. Else what is happening, it is formed a nice flag on or a expanding triangle. Once it stays beyond 3090, I think it is not going to come back on the upside. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish, RSI comfortable. Coming to two on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here. See, hitting the high that it is trying to retrace, and see, after this it has found the support from the 50 period, trying to bounce back. So now it is very very important for silver to break below 30, 50, 30, 40 zone, only below which you can expect more bearishness, and then we can expect it to move towards 30, 20, or in fact lower levels. But 30, 40, 30, 50 is going to remain the extremely strong support zone here on the downside, while on the upside we know 30, 80, 30, 90 is going to be one critical level here. Now look at the silver on the 2 hour chart. See, rise, then a sharp slump. Rise, it could follow with a rise, sharp slump here. The bottom of this channel has towards 3020, and 3020, $30 levels is going to be the most critical zone on the downside, because below this we can expect a stronger correction. Stochastic rising, MACD has dropped here from the top. It is trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. On the 3 hour, similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. The preceding candle forming a bigger tail, taking the support from this red line, trying to bounce back here. Now it is closed in green, but notice it is still delivered lower highs and lower lows. So it is trying to trade in a moderately bearish channel. Very very important for silver to stay below 30, 40. That is the only level below which I will expect more bearishness in silver here. Stochastic rising, MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with very little divergence, very slight bearishness. But if you look at MACD, this suggests that this is a wave which it can initiate here, and this could bring more bearishness in the forthcoming candles. RSI has dropped. Coming to 4 hour. Similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. One red candle double tops of the current candle is going to be important. It can keep moving towards 30, 40 levels, and 30, 40, 30, 20 levels will now come into picture below 30, 40, which is going to be the next support. And below 30, 20 is where it is going to show a good correction towards 30, 29, 80. Chances for price is breaking below 2980 appears to be less. Yes, the stochastic has dropped. The MACD also has crossed over. It is looking downwards. The see, this is what I'm looking at. If it crosses over, and then the second candle, when it comes to a strongly bearish candle, if you see, then you can say now this is the beginning of the bearishness here in silver. RSI has dropped. Coming to the daily. Now see, look at the daily charts here. Lower highs are there, lower lows are there, support levels are intact towards 3040. Once it breaks below this, you can say now prices have reversed and you can look forward to a dip here towards 3020 or in fact $30 levels. Then you can say it is turning bearish. Else, what is happening? Hitting lower lows, it can bounce back, and once it starts to bounce back, the possibility is there, which means you can buy here at 3080, 3090 zone, expect 31, 3120, 3150 levels at the next targets. Remember, once it breaks out here on the upside, it can deliver a stronger bullish candle. But notice how it has behaved: rise, then a sharp slump, rise. So it could follow with a sharp slump here. It can restrain itself within this channel here, and thus very very important for silver for now to trade beyond 31, 3120 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent, and bullish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to only buy if you see it staying above 38. After 3080, chances will be high that we may see 31, 31, 20, 25, and then 3150 levels. 3150 is the strongest resistance on the upside for silver. While on the downside, now a selling entry I will recommend only at 3040 levels, where you can expect 3020 as the first target. See 30, 20, 25, very, very strong support, and then $30 levels. If $30 levels is taken, I think there is no other way but to stay short. 2980, 2950 levels should be there very, very soon. Right now, it is not going to do that today, at least that is what it appears from the charts. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.